In this video, we will install virtual environment, a module for Python. Virtual environment module allow us to create virtual and isolated environment. When we install a Python module in our local machine without using a virtual environment, we are installing it globally in the operating system. That means whatever module we install for that package are available to all the users and all the project on that system. So if you want to create your project separate and isolated, then you can use virtual environment. It is like a sandbox where all the dependency of the project will be installed when you're working, and all module and dependency are kept separate. Let's try to install it. First we need to use pip on our Linux terminal. We can type sudo pip install virtualenv for virtual environment and hit enter, and it will ask you for the password because we use sudo. You can see over here it's successfully installed virtual environment. Now I'm going to create a directory. First I'm going to clear my screen. I will make new directory with mkdir command, make directory command, and name it my first nv for environment. And then I will move into this folder, my first environment, and over here I will execute command virtual nv, and then the name of my folder, virtual nv. This command will create a new virtual environment called my virtual env, or my virtual environment. This command will create a folder with the name my virtual environment in our current directory with all the executable files of Python and the pip module that will allow us to install different packages in our virtual environment. I will use ls command to list the content of current directory, so you can see we have over my virtual environment folder over here, and now we need to activate it. To activate, we need to use source and the our folder name my virtual nv, and then bin, and then activate, and just hit enter. You can see it is activated now. You can also install virtual environment wrapper. It allows you to better organize all your virtual managed environments. You can use pip command to install virtual environment wrapper. So the command is this. I will open a terminal, new one. And over here, you can use pip install virtual wrapper. This one is virtual environment wrapper. So env is missing over here, and now we can run it. We have successfully installed virtual environment wrapper also. So this way you can install virtual environment and virtual wrapper modules on Ubuntu Linux. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.